Unlike manual peeling, Lay's uses a gentle abrasion peeling system.
Flowing river of translucent potato slices is cut to the
And this is the heart of the Lay's factory, the high-temperature fryer.
Each batch must meet a standard crispiness level, not be burnt, and have an even flavor coating before reaching the consumer.
Ever wonder why Lay's bags are so puffy? That's not ordinary air.
Billions of bags of Lay's are produced every year. But how are they made? The journey starts here. Lay's uses specialized potatoes with high starch and low water content.
This helps the chips become crispier and prevents them from getting soggy when fried.
Here we see the quality-approved potatoes moving along the line before entering the washing station, where high-pressure water removes any remaining soil. Inside the industrial washing station, the giant drum begins to rotate as high-pressure jets blast the incoming crop.
Unlike manual peeling, Lay's uses a gentle abrasion peeling system. This is the magical moment. Each potato slice is cut to just 1.4 millimeters thin.
This continuous, flowing river of translucent potato slices is cut to the perfect thickness to create that signature crunch when fried. The process doesn't stop there. After slicing, the slices are washed again. To remove excess starch, which can cause the chips to stick together during frying.
Before frying, the slices need to reach a specific dryness, helping them absorb minimal oil and become crispier.
And this is the heart of the Lay's factory, the high-temperature fryer, always maintained between 180 and 190 degrees Celsius.
And now for the step that brings the signature flavor to each type of Lay's.
Each batch must meet a standard crispiness level, not be burnt, and have an even flavor coating before reaching the consumer.
To ensure every bag of chips has the exact weight, no more, no less, this automated weighing system calculates the most accurate combination.
Instead, it's pure nitrogen, which helps prevent the chips from getting crushed during shipping.
The bags travel under the high-speed inkjet printer, which instantly applies the production and expiration dates to ensure quality control. And so, the journey is nearing its end.
From fresh potatoes in the field to every crispy bag in the supermarket.
Everything goes through a precise, closed loop and incredibly modern production cycle.
Okay, digging in.
Oh wow, that's